The Spytek GPS GL300 Mini GPS Tracker is a powerful tool designed for diverse tracking needs. Whether you're keeping tabs on your vehicle, ensuring the safety of loved ones, or monitoring valuable assets, this device delivers reliable and precise real-time location updates. Compact and robust, it offers unmatched convenience and peace of mind. Key features include unlimited 5-second real-time tracking updates, making sure you always have the most current location information. It's versatile, perfect for vehicles, personal use, and asset tracking. The weatherproof magnetic case ensures durability and easy attachment to any metal surface, ideal for outdoor use. With worldwide coverage, this tracker is perfect for international travel and cross-border tracking. Please note, a subscription plan is required to access real-time tracking features, with various options to fit different needs and budgets. The Spytek GPS GL300 is your go-to solution for reliable and efficient tracking, keeping you connected to what matters most. The Irrigation 100-foot drip irrigation kit is an essential tool for any gardener looking to maintain a lush and healthy garden with minimal effort. This comprehensive planned watering system features 8 by 5 mm blank distribution tubing, perfect for customizing your irrigation setup to fit your specific needs. Ideal for gardens, greenhouses, flower beds, patios, and lawns, this DIY automatic irrigation equipment set ensures efficient and consistent watering. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including tubing, connectors, drippers, and nozzles, allowing you to create a tailored irrigation system that delivers water directly to the roots of your plants. This not only conserves water but also promotes healthier plant growth by providing consistent moisture. Easy to install and use, the Irrigation drip irrigation kit is designed for both beginners and experienced gardeners. With its durable construction and reliable performance, this kit will help you achieve a beautiful and thriving garden with less effort and water waste. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of automated watering and keep your plants hydrated all season long. The MZK20V cordless tiller cultivator is an ideal tool for any gardening enthusiast looking to simplify their soil preparation tasks. Featuring 24 durable steel tines and a 7.8-inch wide tilling width, this battery-powered garden cultivator effortlessly breaks up soil, making it perfect for flower beds, vegetable gardens, and lawn maintenance. The 20V2AH battery provides ample power and runtime, ensuring you can complete your gardening tasks without interruption. With its lightweight and compact design, the MZK cordless tiller is easy to maneuver, reducing strain on your arms and back. The included charger ensures your tiller is always ready for use. Whether you're cultivating, aerating, or weeding, this mini tiller delivers reliable performance and convenience, making your gardening experience more enjoyable and efficient. The GDHXWX887 high-pressure washer gun is an essential tool for car enthusiasts and homeowners alike, offering a powerful and efficient solution for cleaning tasks. Equipped with a foam cannon and 2 adapters, this high-pressure washer gun is designed to tackle dirt, grime, and road residue with ease. It comes with 7 different pressure washer nozzles, allowing you to adjust the spray pattern and pressure to suit various cleaning needs, from gentle rinsing to intense scrubbing. Ideal for car washing, the X887 ensures a thorough clean, reaching every nook and cranny with its high-pressure stream and foam cannon, which generates rich foam for deep cleaning. This washer gun is also versatile enough for cleaning driveways, patios, and outdoor furniture. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making your cleaning sessions less strenuous. Durable and reliable, the GDHXWX887 high-pressure washer gun with foam cannon is a must-have for maintaining the cleanliness and appearance of your vehicle and home. The Orange Ninja all-in-one garden tool and knife sharpener by Sharp Pebble is a versatile and essential tool for any gardening enthusiast or homeowner. This sharpener is designed to restore the edge on a variety of tools, including lawnmower blades, scissors, axes, hatchets, machetes, pruners, and hedge shears. Its all-in-one functionality ensures that all your cutting tools remain in optimal condition, making your gardening and yard work more efficient and enjoyable. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Orange Ninja sharpener features a durable and ergonomic design that provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise and effortless sharpening. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry, ensuring you can keep your tools sharp wherever you go. The versatile design of the sharpener accommodates different blade shapes and sizes, making it a practical addition to any toolkit. Whether you are a professional landscaper or a weekend gardener, the Orange Ninja all-in-one garden tool and knife sharpener will help you maintain the sharpness and performance of your tools, ensuring clean and efficient cuts every time. Invest in this reliable sharpener and keep your blades in top condition for all your outdoor tasks. Grandpa's Garden Hook is the ultimate gardening tool, combining multiple functions into one versatile and efficient device. This weed puller tool and hand cultivator are designed to handle various gardening tasks, making it an essential addition to any gardener's toolkit. It functions as a cultivator, hand tiller, weeder, and edging tool, providing all the features you need to maintain a pristine garden. Crafted with lightweight and durable materials, Grandpa's Garden Hook ensures ease of use and long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, reducing strain during extended use. Whether you're tackling stubborn weeds, loosening soil, or creating clean edges along your garden beds, this tool delivers exceptional results. Make gardening a breeze with Grandpa's Garden Hook, the multifunctional tool that simplifies your gardening tasks while delivering professional quality results. The Works Edger Lawn Tool, model WG896, is a powerful and efficient electric lawn edger designed to give your lawn a professional finish. Equipped with a robust 12-amp motor and a 7.5-inch blade, it effortlessly cuts through tough grass and soil to create clean, precise edges along driveways, sidewalks, and flower beds. The tool features adjustable depth settings, allowing for customized edging depth to suit your needs. Designed with user comfort in mind, the WG896 has an ergonomic grip and an adjustable shaft height to reduce strain during use. The cutting line indicator ensures straight, accurate edges, while the trencher function is perfect for installing outdoor lighting or burying cables. Achieve a pristine lawn with the Works WG896 and enjoy effortless, professional-looking results. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.